Hi, this is Maria. Today I'm going to show you how to make this weekly layout very easily in Noteshelf. Now, if you don't have Noteshelf, you can easily do this in GoodNotes as well. I'll just talk you through how to do that, but it's very similar. So let's get started. I like to use the 2020 Digibujo, but you can use all of my ideas in any planner journal that you choose to use. I like this one because it's customizable. You can add stickers just like I'm doing to your existing planner. So let's get started. I'm going to clear my page. I'm going to click my eraser and clear. And this is my blank slate. This is the blank linked journal, and I like to customize because I change my mind a lot. So I'm going to bring in my photo roll. This is where I keep my stickers. I have an album called Planner Stuff, and I keep everything in here. So I'm going to look for a background sticker from a pack called Rosy Florals Paper. So it's this pack here. And I want that paper. So we're just going to drag it over. I'm going to edit, make myself a nice rectangle, apply, and done. Take my lasso, copy, long press paste, and now I have the matching other side. Now that I have my paper in place, now you can play with this to make sure it's exactly where you want it. Once they're in place, I can tap and lock so that those images no longer move. GoodNotes doesn't let you lock, but if you go to your lasso at the top of GoodNotes, you can deselect images and then your lasso won't move that background image. Very similar. Alright, let's go back to here and let's find my weekly spread. Is in a time block set. Let's see. That would be a daily and a couple of weeklies. I want the Sunday start. And we're just going to size this to fit. Easy peasy, instant weekly spread with a pretty background behind it. Again, I'm going to lock that so that I don't accidentally move this. And my shadow is right here encroaching on my shot. As usual, trying to help. Kitty. Okay, well he's just gonna be right here. Alright, next sticker is called Watercolor Clip Art. So we're going to add a couple of stickers here. I'm just going to drag them in and then we'll play with them. One, two, and three, and then we'll add in the flowers on top. So I'm going to size that to fit in here. Size this one and rotate to fit the space. The first one you lay down will stay on the bottom. So I'm just arranging this a little bit so I can see my numbers over here, and so I fill most of that space. Okay, now this one for a little bit of color. And let's add some flowers. So again, first one is going to be this one. Let's just do them one by one. And this one. There's a Procreate brush set that has similar flowers. I just didn't feel like drawing flowers today, so I'm going to do it. I'm just going to drop them in this way. Rather than having to create flowers from scratch. These are very pretty and they're already made for me. There we go. Perfect. Now let's add some greenery at the bottom. So let's get something greener. This is all from the same sticker pack. All of these are from the same sticker pack. It's a lot of bang for your buck with this one. So we'll get that one and lasso copy. Now remember, I locked the other images down, so I'm only going to copy the one. Tap off and rotate it the other way. Okay. And then we'll get this one, since we used it up here, so we have similar coloring. And some texture with those leaves. Again, lasso copy, long press paste, and rotate the other way. Okay, you can position these with the lasso, they'll move together. And then some flowers. And pretty purple. And a little, just so there's multiple colors in here. They all work together. And now I want my greenery just a little bit lower. There we go. Once I'm happy, I'm going to copy all of that and paste it on the other side. Okay. Let's go pick a pretty dark green, something that matches these background ones, and I'm going to just fill in my days. And that's it. An easy layout, lots of pretty flowers, so you can be an artist without having to draw. Please remember to like and share if you like my videos. Subscribe to my channel so you will be notified every time I put up a new one. Thanks for watching.